No CSGO today, sorry. But we are unboxing that thing right there. Yeah, sorry, I did. We're unboxing that big guy today. My new keyboard because my keyboard has issues. So I have a Razer Black Widow Ultimate 2016 edition, and 2 days ago it just stopped working. And I've been looking at keyboards for a while, and it just shut off. And we ordered a new one, a new keyboard. By the time the day ended, it started working again. So I don't know what the deal with that is. I also just realized I'm not wearing my glasses. It started working again, but we didn't cancel the order. And then yesterday, it just stopped working and started working and started yada, yada, yada. It was doing some really weird stuff. So we gave up on that, and we just went, screw it. We'll keep the keyboard, and I'll start using it tomorrow. And also, it's a good opportunity for me to start using the, RGB. So that I'm not just green. This is not alcohol, by the way. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do what I did before. So we're going to push my keyboard back a little bit. The cables are a little bit of a mess because obviously I unplugged and replugged in my keyboard very hastily. It is a very big box. This is probably the largest box I've opened, second to maybe the Black Widow, but I don't actually know what all is in here. Okay, it's very light for its size. It's like 5 pounds. There it is! Obviously, this is the keyboard I've been using for a long time. Yeah, I like CSGO, that's true. But yeah, that is a Razer Black Widow back there. And, been faithful for the last 4 years. This has basically everything that I needed. It has, it's got a full number pad, USB pass-through, and, mechanical. There it is. Got all those macro keys and extra keys up top, which I think I'll actually use. Features. High quality LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard with high precision machinery manufacture, double injection keycaps, full key conflict free, spill proof. WIN key can be disabled in game. What I get for a Chinese. The image shown here is indicative only. The actual product might differ. Oh, shut up. Yeah, it's got Otemu purple switches. My first RGB keyboard. That's actually mine. How even do you open it? Oh, it's a side open. Is it a side open? Or can you open it through here? It's a side open. Oh, that's lame. This is the only way you can open it. That's sad. We'll do a little sound test. What I'm going to do is do this so you can hear me perfectly fine. And then I brought out a special guest. It's the blue snowball. It's the snowball. So what I'm going to use this for is a little sound test thing on the Razer. Obviously, I broke the enter key. There's your sound test for the day. Let's move the snowball out of the way so we can pull this baby out. Oh, it's in cardboard. It's in another box. A box and a box and a box and a box. The thing is, yeah, it's super sealed for Redragon. I mean, I'm not surprised if it's in a cardboard box. Imagine this just a bunch of boxes and there's no keyboard inside. That'd be awful. It's a build kit. I have to build my own keyboard. Oh, are we ready? Oh my. Are you serious? Why is there so much padding? Okay. Hit the mic arm. And here's the keyboard. Oh gosh. I found the cable. Oh, it comes with its own. Ah! It's a heavy boy. Oh, I popped one of the bubbles. So it came with its own Redragon sticker. So I think this is the manual, but it's very jam-packed in here. think I got it. Yep. And it came with its own little Redragon. I think, yep, it's a sticker. Yeah, it came with its own little keycap remover. It's not gonna focus. Yep. It's just... It's a plastic keycap remover. Almost seems like 3D printed. So I could just like go up to the razor and do that. It's a very rigid keycap remover, so I'm glad I have my own. So it's got a long cable, and it's also thick, gold-plated USBs. Time for the reveal. Okay, so it's got little pegs on the side that you can use to take it off. And then to actually take it off, I'll use the wrist rest for now. Yeah, it's not magnetic, but it's what keeps it in. The feet seem to not go as high as the razors, but it's just something for me to get used to. Whoa, there's no padding on this. Or the padding on the wrist rest is not very good. I need to reach behind my router, behind my computer. So it almost kind of reminds me of Razer's setup, but not completely. Because the cords kind of look the same. So there's one. Is that the keyboard? Nope, it's the port. No, that was the keyboard. Okay, well, hold on. Keyboard. And port. Oh, it lit up. So it's time for a test. But that's how it looks. Nice and lit up. Woo! Oh. That doesn't sound bad. It actually feels pretty good compared to the razors. I actually like the sound of this keyboard. Redragon Zone. That it? Nope, it's going orange. Yellow. Alright, here's one red. There we go. The keycap remover I have is much nicer than the one Redragon gave me, because this is the one that I have, and this is the one that Redragon gave me. Oh gosh. $107, that's okay. This will be weird. These keys aren't like smooth. They're like kind of rough. $110. That's not bad. It's so weird to get used to because you don't like. I don't feel that click providing extra resistance because this is a much more tactile switch. That's not bad, though. It's not a bad feeling keyboard. Plus, it sounds pretty cool. It's definitely not a bad sounding keyboard. I like it, actually. And I can make it just red. And obviously I can change this to RGB whenever I want. Like, go to this. It'll finally match your setup. It does, actually. I just need to change the mouse pad, which I can get for like 20 bucks or less. Easy peasy. This is a nice looking keyboard. Overall, keyboard, pretty freaking sick.